Good day everyone, I'm Mary Grace Verano and I'm here to report about fire and gas detectors. So fire. Fire is a rapid oxidation of material in an exothermic process of combustion, which releases light, heat, and various reaction products. It has also the potential to cause physical damage through burning. And it is very important for us to know about the fire and gas detectors for our safety purpose. So what is gas and fire detectors? So it monitors the level of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide or any common to all fires. We have the basic guidelines for selection of fire and gas detectors. So first, the linear heat detector. The linear heat detector sends the overheat condition at any point along its length and pinpoint location. The selection criteria and the basic guidelines for selection of fire and gas detectors. First, we have the linear heat detector, which sends the overheat condition at any point along its length and pinpoint location. Its selection criteria are: first, the outer jacket shall be made of a material that resists corrosion, chemicals, and moisture. Second, the linear heat detector cable and monitoring system shall be suitable for the operation of the normal 24 voltage DC supply. Third, and the alarm condition shall be laid at the control unit with the resist faculty from the gas panel. And lastly, it shall provide outputs for fault and alarm condition which is compatible with the main fire gas panel. Second is the rate of rise heat detectors. It is a detector which responds to an increase in temperature. The selection criteria were: first, this type of detector shall respond to an abnormal rate of temperature rise. Second, the detector shall be provided with a fixed temperature backup features so that at a lesser rate of rise of temperature, the fixed temperature element shall be operated. And also, the detector shall latch in the alarm condition until reset manually. And also, the detector bases shall be suitable for the surface or flash monitoring as required to suit of the area installation. We have optical smoke detectors. It is a detector that detects visible or invisible particles of combustion. It also operates by detecting the scattering or absorption of light by smoke particles. Its criteria: first, the detector shall be self-contained device comprising of the light source with a matching photosensitive sensor. Second is the optical chamber shall be designed for the detection of every type of visible smoke. Third, the detector shall contain an LED that shall pulse to indicate the power on and shall glow continuously to indicate an alarm condition. The open path combustible gas detector shall operate on the principle of absorption of infrared radiation by gas. It is anywhere along an open path, and it is also detected by photoelectric, which means that produces electrical signals to provide alarms and indication of the concentration of gas along the path. Its criteria are: first, the transmitter and receiver shall be suitable for mounting on standard instruments post. Second, it shall be provided with the means to ensure reliable operation without a false alarm. And also, continuous optical checks for the beam blockage shall also be provided. The fifth one is the flame detector. Flame detector detector which responds to the radiation emitted by the flames from fire. Its criteria: it shall be combined ultraviolet infrared type monitoring both UV and IR regions for the spectrum for the presence of fire. Also, the detector shall be resistant to the operation caused by the sunlight, artificial light, and back body radiation. And lastly, the detector shall have a nominal 900 cone vision. Ang fire alarm system. What is fire alarm system? Fire alarm system has a number of devices working together to detect and warn people through visual and audio appliances when smoke, fire, carbon monoxide, or other emergencies are present. Most fire alarm systems are made up of fire alarm control panel, primary and backup power supply, alarm initiating device, alarm notification device, remote control and display panels, and the building safety interface.